my dear friend, I am fine. I hope you are well. All my dear student, very thanks for you because subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and share. And dear student, all assignment is not difficult. This is very easy, but you should try and understand each and every all my points I make. All my dear student, today's my assignment title EXP 22 Excel chapter number 5 HOE Sociology.xlsx 1.1. This is my today assignment topic. Project descriptions. If you need any kind of assignments, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, mathematics, assess, graders, weekly exam, please you contact me, email and WhatsApp. It's okay. Start now. Point number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file names EXP22 Excel chapter number 5 HOE Sociologies. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. It's okay. All my dear student, you first download this file. But short time then I already this file downloading. It's okay. All dear student, watch this. This is file. I back this. Point number 2. Ensure the book subtotal worksheet is active. Sort the data by the discipline, alphabetical orders, and future sort is by the area and alphabetical orders. This is no lengthy, very easy point. It's okay. Our dear students, I open the sort the data by it's okay. Sort filters, custom sorts, back this, discipline, I click this, discipline, it's okay, I back this, and other sort, future sort is by the area in the alphabetical order. It's okay. Add level, click second area. It's okay. First discipline and add level area. I click OK. I back this. Point number 2 is complete. And point number 3. Point number 3. Use the subtotal future in insert subtotal row by discipline to calculate the total for the sale, wholesale, sale retails, and total book sales column without removing the first subtotal. Insert subtotal by the area to column total for the same column. It's okay. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotals. It's okay. This option subtotal by discipline. It's okay. I back this subtotal wholesale, retail, total book sales, sale rates. Sale rates, sale rate. Rates and the total book sale rates, wholesale, it's okay. Subtotals, area, click this. It's okay. All my dear student, point number 3 is finally completed. Next point number 4. Next point number 4. Create the automatically outline. Copies the outline above column H and K. It's okay. Automatically outline. Automatically outline. Automatically group auto. Outline, modify it's okay. What is the outline above column H and K? Number 4 is complete. My dear students, point number 5. Display the book data worksheet and create a recommended pivot tables using the sum of unit solid thumbnails. Change the name of the worksheet, pivot table, name the pivot tables, total books, sale. It's okay, all dear student. I go to log sheet and book data. Recommended pivot tables. It's okay. Sum of the unit, solid whole, sale by discipline, and different option. But I select sum of sales, wholesale. It's okay. Sum of unit, solid whole, sale by discipline. I select this, open. I open. Change the name of the worksheet. I change. It's okay. I change. Pivot table name change. I name the pivot table okay. Name change. And next point number 5 is finally complete. Point number 6 start. Make sure that these fields are in the respective area. Remove extra field. Place the discipline field in row. Total book sale field is values and copyright in the column. Copyright field in the column. It's okay. The column. Column. Place the discipline field in row. Total book sale field and value. Total remove this field. It's okay. Remove this field. Remove this field. Copy field in column. Column. It's okay. Earlier student. Earlier student. Point number 6 is finally completed. And start now. Point number 7. Point number 7. Click this. Select B5. These are the value of field setting sale by the discipline. Column names. It's okay. B5 field name. I delete this. Copy sale by discipline. I select this. Sale by discipline. Sale by discipline. Apply counting number. Format the 0. And format number. Counting 0. I select this counting number 0. It's okay. All my dear student, point number 7 is finally complete. Type discipline. Type discipline in C4 and copyright years in cell B3. Select the range B4 and 3 and center the label horizontal. Type A4. I type A4. A4. I type A4. Copyright years, select B3. B3. It's okay. Dear student, and select B, range B4 E4. I select range B4. Press enter. It's okay. My dear students, very thanks for watching my videos. Total point is 18, but time is very short. Then I only 8 point finally complete. All my dear student, my dears, to contact me any assignment, kind of any assignments, my contact number, email and WhatsApp. Very thanks you watching my videos, like and share.